Welcome to Musto Educational. You can see I'm here in beautiful Hong Kong. This is the Victoria Harbour, and yes, the crypto market has really had a big dump. Bitcoin falling below $95,000. As you know, Hong Kong had the consensus event here, and also a lot of things that happened with the Bybit exchange being hacked. 1.4 billion US dollars worth of Ethereum were actually hacked from the Bybit exchange, and yes, the CEO of Bybit actually came out and was very professional, very honest. But the thing is, the Lazarus group, the North Korean group, actually they admitted being the ones that hacked 1.4 billion US dollars worth of Ethereum, the biggest hack in the history of crypto. And yes, the thing is that right now they cannot find a way to sell this Ethereum, because you can always track and see where all the transactions happen, because everything can be seen on the blockchain. But yes, Oxinfini, actually another exchange, was also hacked. 49.5 million USDC were actually hacked and converted to Ethereum. So 17,696 Ethereum were actually bought. And yes, another big hack. This is actually what happens when you stake your Ethereum, your Bitcoin. There is always risk of these staking platforms like Oxinfini to be hacked. So you always have to take full responsibility and risk management if you want to stake your crypto. But yes, all indications are pointing out that actually Bitcoin is oversold right now. And usually if you check the altcoin season chart, we are very low right now and we're actually in fear. So if you check the chart, actually we can easily see that in history, every time Bitcoin was oversold, there was a massive big pump right after. For 2 weeks, actually, the price of Bitcoin hasn't done much. It has averaged from 90,000 to 100,000 in the last 2 weeks. So actually nothing much happened. Bitcoin has been stuck for the last 2 weeks. But yes, I think in my non-financial advice, it's very likely that there will be one last run to the upward to the top. And on my opinion, Bitcoin will reach 130,000 US dollars in my non-financial advice. You can see this beautiful harbor, Victoria Harbour. Yes, Hong Kong has the ATM for Bitcoin if you want to withdraw. And I've seen also some places where you can actually withdraw your USDT. There are some shops here in Hong Kong. Hong Kong treats crypto as securities. But from what I understand is that actually Hong Kong is a very friendly city to crypto. And yes, it's not easy for investors of Bitcoin and crypto. Now Solana actually also dropped, and people are indicating that the reason Solana dropped to as low as 150 per coin is because of the manipulation. Some say that the Lazarus group and the Oxinfini group, also the hackers that were responsible for 49.5 million USDC hacked, they actually tried to sell this USDC and Ethereum into Solana meme coins. But actually we can track everything on the blockchain. So I can say that it's not easy to hack and cash out, because we can track everything, and every time someone tries to exchange and sell this Ethereum or USDT or USDC, actually the exchanges would prevent it. So this is why Solana actually dropped. This is a good time to buy Solana in my non-financial advice, because with the hackers trying to sell and convert into Solana meme coins, then actually this is why Solana dropped. But we will see if Bybit can get their money back. Right now they're already in the process of buying Ethereum back. It's a lot of money, 1.4 billion US dollars. of Ethereum that was actually sold. But yes, definitely we have to be patient. If you're nervous, if you're upset, I would suggest you to find something else to do, because you cannot always stare at your wallet and complain. You have to be patient. And if we check the history of the bull run, you can actually see in the previous years, every time there was a bull run, there was actually a big drop. We're actually right up there, still at 95,000 US dollars for one Bitcoin. And altcoins, yes, they're bleeding, but it's not over. Definitely, in my non-financial advice, I think that there will be one last run to the top with Bitcoin that should at least reach 130,000 US dollars. But yes, be always greedy when things are fearful, and be always fearful when things are too greedy. Right now we're in fear. But this is all I have for you today from beautiful Victoria Harbour, Hong Kong, the crypto capital of Asia, and even maybe the crypto capital of the world. Thank you so much. I'll be the next crypto conference in Dubai for the Token 2049 event. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.